This is the glass elevator at the Culinary Institute.
How many floors?
Niagara Falls, New York.
How many floors?
Buttons are over here. Probably go to 3.
Okay.
5 is locked.
Okay.
Oh, we can go into 5. Okay.
All right. I never was in here.
This is 3.
What floor is this?
This is 3rd.
Okay.
This one was originally Dover,
Dover?
and it was modded by Schindler.
Oh.
3,500 pound capacity. Now we're going down to L.
Where's the phone?
There's no foam,
Oh, come on.
and we'll get a cap.
This is 4?
There's just skip 4 right here. You can see up there.
Oh.
There we go.
Look at the skyline. Oh, it's going down. No 5.
Yeah,
No 5.
it's skip 4.
No, well, we already did it.
It's just skip 4. Now then,
Now it's skipping 3.
it's got mad BS fixtures.
And here we are.
All right.
Okay, let's go walk.
Okay. Close up here. It goes in.
Okay.